my question is, what's your method when you decide to like start playing around with a new character?
Well, the main thing is I listen to their music. Like right now, I'm currently shooting a video where I play this like goth, masochistic punk rock kind of guy, and so everything in my playlist right now, and it's specifically a goth guy from like early 2000s is what I'm trying to. So I'm listening to a lot of him and Evanescence, and it's just right now. If you look at what I'm currently listening to, it's all that stuff. So when I'm playing like Bryce, let's say, I'm listening to a lot of songs that have to do with money. Dead Inside by I forget what. I want to make a lot of money and feel dead inside. You know that song? I listen. So whatever the song is that I think best encapsulates that character, I will work out to that. I will listen to it in my sleep. I'll drive to that. So yeah, I think music is a very big inspiring factor. When I listen to music, I kind of almost have those thoughts of that character in a way, or at least it's easier for me to tap into that. With Blitz, it's a lot of, there's a rock band from the 90s called the Gone Jackals, and I'm absolutely in love with them, and I think that every song of theirs feels like something Blitz would listen to. So yeah, when I play Blitz, especially when I'm driving to work to record as Blitz, I listen to the Gone Jackals a lot. So yeah.